How to add loop animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a loop animation, what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here either an image, a text, or a button. From in there, just head over and click on those, what you want to actually select, and click onto this open inspector. Now from in here, you can see the animations and effects. If you don't, just head over and click onto this button right here. It already have an existing animation, so let me head over and then remove that. Now, if you want to add a loop animation, we need to head over and then click onto this loop and make sure to expand that. So click onto this add icon under the loop and choose in here which kind of animation you want for this. So for example, let's choose in here this swing animation and it should be able to be applied to the actual thing. And as you can see, here's a preview of how that will look like. So that's how you add loop animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.